Hi, my name is Angelica. I'm 23 years old and I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I'm a person with visual impairment, and in my condition, it's really hard for me to look for a job. I've been searching for a job for almost a year. In my journey in searching for a job, I've encountered a lot of discriminations, discouragements, rejections. I tried to send my resume to different companies, but all they gave me was rejection. They said that I will not be able to work because I am visually impaired and it will be hard for me to work in an office based environment. Even my family is discouraging me and saying that I can't work because I'm a person with disability. But instead of sitting in the corner and crying my heart out all day, I strive more and more to find for a job. Almost every day of my life, when I'm surfing the net, I'm always visiting all the sites that I know will help me to find for a job. But unfortunately, the door is still not opening for me. I didn't lose hope. Instead, I tried to imagine myself working someday, helping my family, buying all the things I want, and inspiring the people around me. I hope that someday I will be working with different people and proving them that disability is not a hindrance for me to reach my dreams.